Let's load this up, get the parts out to the powder coat. First piece on the gearbox, and yeah, this is going to be so damn cool. Let's put some more stuff on, and well, yeah, hopefully we can make some out of this. How cool is this? Yes, we've already been in the game that we are going too far on this Kadett project, and this makes it just a little bit more official. I've got, well, hopefully every nut and bolt sandblasted and yellow galvanized. And dang you, this is going to look really pretty. Everything will be looking like new. Next up will the engine. Well, probably I will discover some more later on in the build that we need to sandblast and ship out. But for now, we are, well, a good way ahead in this process. Let's get everything cleaned, painted, powder coated. All the suspension part are at the powder coater. So we're getting more parts in the flow for the rebuild. What does that mean? That means that some more prep work for the web shop is done. We're filling the web shop, making the custom products to fit on the web store, more on the go, more parts are ordered. I've been prepping and getting parts in for the weld-in motor mounts for the 2.5 liter motor. So probably within 2 weeks they will be available in the web store as well. The jack points Mark III are back in. They are in stock, made a couple of extra sets, so they are ready to ship out. Working on the brackets. So I'm doing another test run for the rear brake, big brake setup for Mark III, Mark II, that you can fit behind the hub. So you don't going outwards 10 millimeters or more for the big brake brackets. There are a couple of things that I need to figure out. We need to measure with a couple of options on which hubs we're going to use or how you can make the hubs. If you want to make the hubs yourself with using the old brakes, then this will already fit. Working everything out, that will be on there soon as well. Well, then off to the rest of this. Let's do some more work on the Kadett. Next up is the engine. Fast. Jesus. Oh. Jezus, wat een kutzooi. Every nut and bolt is rusted or damaged, or everything is terrible on this Kadett. Ah, shit, my nuts. And we go again. Well, first, one kick tighten and then kick they come loose. Otherwise they break, like the rest of them did. And right. Broken. Grab it there. Oh, and we go off again. And again and again and again and again and again and again and again. That one's not too bad. I tried heating it up first, didn't work. That was the first time we did it. So I stopped that evening and now we just need to try this. Think there's no other way? Then they just break or not? Yep, they break. Fuck you. Oh. What a disaster. Eén zo'n klootje. Zal ook wel breken dan, hè? Oh, dat. Troep, allemaal troep, jongens. Bah. Papa. everything is dirty, everything is a mess, blah blah. So I'm closing off the holes, and with hammering the edges around we can easily remove the tape from the same angle as the gasket is. If we paint the cylinder head, it will all look nice and shiny. And of course there can be no dust and shizzle manizzle inside the engine, because we don't want that.
Wat een kutzooi. Hoe krijg je die troepen nou weer uit dan?
Kutzooi! Jee, hoe zit het vast? No way!
Now it's out.
Well, we've got 2 out. One broken one inside now, and the final one welded, and then another bolt from the thermostat that needs to come out. And then we need to fix the threads from the other one, because I probably think they won't come out either. Not feeling good. Not feeling really healthy. Such a day, it's such a day when everything is going away. Baby, can we get the other one loose? Oh, please come out. Please, I do not want to drill more. I think it's breaking again. Yeah, what? Come on, luck, be on my side. Please, a little bit of luck. Would be kinda cool. Nope, no luck. Well, that is it for another week in the grind on the Kadett. You can see how much work it is, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching, and see you all in the next episode.